good? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing, well, it's not really today. It was kind of the other day. I just did not film an intro. So, yeah. This is my intro on how to bleach your frontal or closure properly. Let's get right into this video. Okay, right now I am about to spray the water on the frontal to get all the hairs back away so I can do the process without bleaching any of the baby hairs or anything like that. When doing this process, you want to get volume developer, and I'm going to be using the 30 volume developer. And you also want to use a powder lightener. The powder lightener I'm using is the Carol's Kaleidoscope, or I think it's Kaleidocolors. And yeah, I'm going to be using that, and then I'm just going to pour the 30 volume developer into the bowl with the powder lightener and just going to mix it together. This does take a little bit of time, but it's not hard. But it is hard to get the right consistency because you don't want it too liquidy and you don't want it too thick. You want it just right. And as you can see, I had too much powder in there, so I had to pour more developer in there to thin it out. Oh, that is chunky. I'm still mixing it in there. That was chunky, and I was just taking time, just thinking it's gonna thin out by itself. No, sis, pour some more. Pour it up, pour it up, pour it up, pour it up. It's still, I am wrong for that. As you can see, I had to end up pouring more volume developer in there because it was just too chunky, too thick, too all that. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright, so then you just want to start spreading it on there, and you don't want to press it. You want to press it, but then again, you don't want to press it. You don't want to just press it and just smash it down into your frontal. No, sis, it don't work like that. No, you just want to spread it like it's butter. Spread it like it's a piece of bread. That's how you do it. And you can just keep spreading it until you cover the full lace. So whenever it's ready, you want to let it sit for 30 minutes. Then I did not record this part, but I ended up rinsing it out, and then I washed it with my Shimmer Light shampoo, so it won't be brassy like orange. And this is what it looks like. Oh, baby girl. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll be back with more. Period. Good night.